How to use MAGUS. Before use, clean the wall with alcohol or water and keep it dry. For the first time using, please peel off the film on the back. Then clean the surface of suction cup with alcohol or water to avoid dander and moisture affecting the suction. Hold the MAGUS and press it on the wall to make the suction cup attach to the wall closely. Rotate 27 degrees clockwise while pressing down. If you feel it is buckled, then the installation is complete. MAGUS can attract all kinds of magnetic supplies for about 500 grams. Anti-slip side design let MAGUS be used as wall hanging to hang bags, hats, and coats. The maximum weight can be up to 3 kilograms. When disassembling, remember to take the item off first. Hold the outer ring of MAGUS, then rotate it 27 degrees counterclockwise to remove. Next, I will introduce you the suitable surfaces for MAGUS. The suction cup of MAGUS can be used on smooth, polished, and flat surfaces, such as mirrors, glass, lacquered glass, melamine, and stainless steel commonly found in homes, or acrylic and plastic boards commonly used in offices. However, MAGUS is not suitable for using in the following conditions, such as frosted glass, textured stainless steel, and other special textures. Surfaces with cracks, scratches, and peeling problems are also not applicable. The seams, such as those between glass, also cannot be used. Using on these surfaces may affect the efficiency of suction and make it drop. Under special circumstances, why can MAGUS be attached to the wall, or why it takes several times of rotation to be attached to the wall? When it happens, you need to check if the MAGUS is unlocked before using. Please check if the suction cup is unlocked before use. You can check by pressing the middle of the suction cup. If it's hard, it needs to be unlocked. If it's bouncy and looked flat from the side, it means it's ready to be installed. The unlocking action is like removing the MAGUS. Press MAGUS on a flat surface and rotate it 27 degrees counterclockwise. Then, press the middle of the suction cup to confirm if it's bouncy. If so, it's ready to use. Under special circumstances, why MAGUS can be taken off after installed during inspection. Please remember to press and rotate when installing. MAGUS needs to be pressing down to make it attach to the wall during installation. Without pressing action during installation, the tightness will be low and it will be easy to pull out. Remember to hold and press, then rotate 27 degrees clockwise for a steady installation.